Hello everyone, so in the last video I have explained the programming of my StayFit app till here. So now open another screen named screen 3. So I'll go on to screen 3. So when button 3 dot click, which means our day 2 button is click, I'll show you in the designer section. Day 2 next button is button 3. Now we'll go on to the block section again. So when button 3 dot click, open another screen name screen 4. So now we go on to screen 4. In this screen also we have that same code which we have implemented in a screen 2. But one major change is that we have changed this tag number. In a screen 2 we have tag 1, now we have tag 2. As I have already said in my previous video that tags are places in TinyDb where we can store value. So the whole code is same in all the screens of these tasks. These screen 4, screen 5, screen 6, screen 7. These all is same. These all screens are same. Same code. So now I have explained this code in my previous video, so I'll directly go on to screen 7 because we have some change in screen 7. I don't need this code for, so I'll delete it. So when initial here we also have the same screen, same code, and the designer section also same. 5 checkboxes and 2 non-visible components, notifier and TinyDb. So when done button is click, it will check all the checkboxes are checked. Then it will set the global total variable value to 5, and then the value will be showed in tag 5 of get global total. And then it will open another screen name screen it, and else it will call notifier and show alert. Please complete all the tasks and then proceed. And when button 2, which is a back button, it will again teleport us to screen 3. So now open another screen name screen 8. So now we'll go on to the screen 8. First designer section. So screen 8 is a congratulations screen. You cannot see these labels properly because in interface we cannot see these labels. This will go out of the screen. So in my last to last video I have already um, shared the interface of my app, and I have explained that how the app works. So here is your score. So now we go into the block section. I don't need this, I'll delete this. This also, this also, and this also. First designer section again. I forgot to tell you something. Here also we have a non-visible component TinyDb. I have used labels which have no text for separation of these things and giving a gap in between of image score. Now we go to the block section again. When button 2 is a, I think click here to see your score. Yes. So when here we have button click here to see your score. So when button 2 dot click, which means when click here but click here to see your score button is click. Set label 9 font size to 28. Designer section. Label 9. This is a label 9. Your score. And after this your score we have this empty label. And when I'll click this button, it will change this label 9 font size. Here it is a font size to I think 28, and then it will set label 9 dot text. It will set the label 9 text. First it will change the label 9 font size. It will change the label 9 font size to 28, and then it will change the text to called tinydb that dot get value. Now it will call tinydb to get value. First we have used in other screens we have used to store value. Now we'll take the value present in it. So first it will set label line text to called tinydb.getValue means to get value stored in tag1 of tinydb1, and if value if tag not there, it means 0. So after setting the font size to 28, it will set label line text to the value stored in tag 1, or if tag is not found by label line, if tag is not found by our code, it will set the value to simply 0, and then it will set label line text to call tinydb. Now in the next part it will add the value of tag 1 with value of tag 2. So in tag 1, which is a screen 2, we have value 5, and in a screen 4 we have tag 2 which also have the value 5. So 5 plus 5 equal to 10. So it will show label line, it will set label line text to 10, and then here again also tag 1 plus tag 2 plus tag 3, it means 15, and again tag 1 tag 2 plus tag 3 plus tag 4, it means 20. Tag 1 plus tag 2 plus tag 3 plus tag 4 plus tag 5, which means 25, total 25 score. And when this was our click here to see your score button, and then we have also have a condition here in last that first it open. If you want to make your lifestyle, click restart, and if you want you can quit. So if anyone clicks that restart button, now we'll go on to the block section. When restart button dot click, it will call tinydb1 and it will clear all the tags, clear all the values stored in these 5 tags, because if will not clear the value, the score will, it will add the previous one scores also, and if the value is clear, again we have 25 score, and then it will open another screen name screen1, and restart means that it will start again screen1 again, it will change us to screen1. Thank you everyone. This was a whole app made by me for kids. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel for daily videos. Thanks. If you have not subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my videos at first. Thank you for your support and love.